back, and today we're doing 10 easy claw clip hairstyles. So let's get right into it. First, I want to talk about the classic claw clip style. There's a few things that might be going wrong here. Number one, take 2 fingers and twist upwards as many times as you need to get all your ends in, and then try to pull it in an upward direction, because then you get a little bun knot on the top of your head, and that kind of adds to the aesthetic appeal of it. So number 2, we're going to do a claw clip wrap. Put your hair inside the claw clip, turn it around, and then clip it in your hair. Take your fingers, move some hair out of the way, just so it's easier when you wrap it. And then take the remaining hair and tightly twist it and wrap it around to the other side of the claw clip. Reopen the clip and then stick the ends inside, and there you have it. Alright, time to get a little more creative with a knotted updo. So split your hair in half, put the sides over each other, reach into the hole, and pull it out like you're making a regular knot. And just keep knotting your hair until you run out of hair. Tie it off with an elastic band, and then fold the ends inside the updo before using the claw clip to secure it in place. Fourth, we're going to do a flipped twist bun. So twist all your hair and then wrap it into a bun like you usually would, but then secure it with a claw clip. This just elevates the bun look and gives it a little pop of color. Next, we're doing a figure 8, so split your hair in half and braid both sections. Then you're going to cross each section over each other and use one of those small claw clips to cross and clip it in place. And then do this again and again, and I had to redo it and kind of bring it down a little more. And then you can clip the ends into the sides, and it makes a cute little figure 8. Next, we're doing a fountain ponytail. So this is a pretty common one. There's 2 ways to do it. First is you twist it up and then just clip it like that. Then you untwist the top ends and lay it over the claw clip. And the second way to do it is to put your hair into a ponytail first, and then do an upwards facing topsy tail, which is when you stick your hand through a hole that you made behind the hair tie, and then just pull it up like so. Make sure you tighten that ponytail and then put the claw clip in above the hair tie. Then you can drape it back. So both easy ways to do this. Alright, next up we've got a half up, half down fountain ponytail. Same thing as the other 2, except I feel like you can see the clip a little more with this one because there's less hair, but still a cute half up, half down hairstyle. Next, we're doing a half up, half down twist. So you take the 2 fingers once again and you twist the hair up once. Adjust the hair as you need, and then just clip the twist itself. Leave the ends. So now we're going to do a top bun for the last one. So twist and wrap it around, and then once you've got enough hair remaining, lay it downwards and clip that with a claw clip. You can leave it like this, or you can tuck the ends in. Either way, looks good. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope some of these hairstyles were inspirational and you want to try some of them. Please do like and subscribe for more real